Hello friends, welcome to a cloudy day everyone. Look friends, during rainy season our animals are very smiling and they are enjoying very much. They are very happy that they are going to get wet in the rain to meet you. We have cute realistic farm animal, pet animals and safari animals, African big wild animals. We have big cat, we have lion, we have giraffe, the leopard, we have cute duck, we have tiger. So friends, let's know about them. First of all, I take it a cute heron bird. Herons are long-legged bird typically found in ponds, marshes, and swamps. They also live along coast and freshwater lakes and streams. Herons are wading birds, which means they feed while standing or walking in shallow water. Here we go. Cute heron bird. White color favorite realistic animal heron bird. Next is crocodile. Crocodile is the cute wild animal and safari animal. Crocodile have powerful jaws and many conical teeth and short legs with haired webs toes. Crocodile tail is long and massive. The skin is thick and flattened. Here we go. Our favorite realistic cute small size crocodile. Next is kangaroo. Kangaroo is the national animals of Australia. They have four legs, two small and two large. They move by jumping and use their thick tail to balance. They are herbivorous and eat leaves, grass, flowers. Here we go. Cute, realistic, small size animal kangaroo. The next is leopard. The leopard is a carnivore that prefers medium-sized prey with a body mass ranging from 22 by 88 pounds. The ancient Romans kept leopard's captivity to be slaughtered in herds as well as execute criminals. Here we go, very dangerous, fast-running cat animal leopard.
And when they finally materialize,
Next is tiger. Tiger is a wild animal. Its scientific name is Panthera tigris. It belongs to the family Felidae and it's the largest living species of cat. Our favorite, very fast running, dangerous wild animal tiger. Next is dog. Dog is a cute farm animal. Most cute and very popular farm animal is dog. Very useful and helpful for human. Here we go. Our cute favorite farm animal, dog.
Wow.
Next is hippopotamus. Hippopotamus is the biggest African wild animal. A hippopotamus is the third largest animal in the world after white rhino and elephant. Hippopotamus has short legs but it can run faster than human with the speed of 30 km per hour. Hippopotamus is the very dangerous African wild animal. Here we go, hippopotamus.
For him to meet the family.
This is our favorite and cute African wild animal and safari animal, deer. Deer are specialized herbivores as reflected in their large and anatomically complex digestive organs. Here we go, very cute, realistic African, our favorite wild animal, deer. This is cock. Cock is a cute farm animal, realistic, and our favorite animal is cock. Humans have hunted cock since prehistoric times. Here we go, our cute favorite realistic animals toy cock. This is giraffe. The giraffe is a large African hoofed mammal belonging to the genus giraffe. It is the tallest living terrestrial animal and the largest ruminant on Earth. A giraffe's legs alone are taller than many humans, about 6 feet. Here we go, our cute favorite African wild animal, giraffe. This is cat. Cat is a pet animal. Cat have very sweet features. It has two beautiful eyes, adorable tiny paws. We always love this pet animal. So adorable, cute, realistic body shape, and realistic toy. The cat is a domestic species of small carnivorous mammal. Here we go, cat, our favorite cute pet animal. Our last animal is lion. The lion is a wild terrestrial animal called the king of the forest. The lion is a strong animal with a strong body, a big head, a majestic man, and two fierce eyes. Lions are a predatory animal and eat only after hunting. They have strong claws and sharp teeth, which help them hunt their prey and eat the flesh. Here we go, our cute favorite, very dangerous African wild animal, lion, king of the forest. Friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and support us. Thank you so much. Bye bye.